everyone. This is Craig Schallenhammer from OraPub. Got a webinar coming up. That's the second part of the most important SQL statement I have ever written. And what we're going to do in this one, using the top anything SQL statement, we're going to start off by looking at the impact of parallel query on ASH data. But then we're going to change our focus and we're going to talk about how to infer SQL statement runtimes. Something there's no way we can do with AWR or time-based data. And then we're going to take it another level and we're going to look at the runtimes for a statement's different plans. So now when somebody calls and you identify the SQL statement that they're running and you identify the plan, now you can say, hey, is this a good plan or a bad plan that they're actually using? Super powerful stuff that we can only do with ASH data. So I hope you can join me with what should be a really cool webinar. We'll see you then.